The commercial Equinox shades widget will only appear if we have shades in the room. And so in this case, where I've put some in this room, you'll notice the icon up here that takes us to the shades widget. And this is very similar to the lighting widget in the sense that to the left we have a slider for all the shades. We also have a full open and full close button. You'll notice one thing that's different about this is that because of physical constraints, the shades are not going to follow our finger or our operation instantaneously, and so wherever we leave the thumb, it will basically be thought of as the target, and it will show the actual progress of that shade of the shades as they're reaching that. Now, if I wanted to stop it while it's moving, then it will reposition the shade, the thumb to that current position. Over on the right, I've got similar control, so open and close of the center shade, or I can control that shade by itself, just as I have the same kind of control as I have for all of them on this side. Now, any of these shades can also be selected as a favorite if we wanted to, and that'll show up in the favorites bar, so no matter which view we're in, we have the ability to control those shades.